What is up, you guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to open up an LLC if you live in Washington. So with an LLC and starting up your own business, you want to keep these two main factors in mind when starting it up. What I like to do is I like to teach and remind people that every year you have to renew your LLC to keep it active. Just to keep that in mind, it's usually around the beginning of the year that you want to do this. Ideally, I think they give you like 3 to 4 months to renew it every year in the beginning of the year. And if you don't renew it, you get hit with like a very late penalty fee for, to renew it again. And you also need to get an EIN number. What is an EIN number? That's like the social security of the business. It's pretty much a 9-digit number that the IRS gives you. And I'm going to show you guys in this video real fast and easy of exactly how to do the LLC and the EIN real quick. It's going to take you less than 5 minutes. It's going to be real fast and easy. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe. If you're new, I'd really appreciate it. If you have any comments regarding this whole video, leave a comment down below. I'll try to help you guys out. Let's get started. So in front of me here, I have ZenBusiness. Highly recommend ZenBusiness if you're trying to start up your LLC, your new business, because it's just real fast and easy to do the whole process. So you're going to start here with creating your LLC. And if you want to use ZenBusiness, by the way, I'm going to have it in the description down below as well as in the pinned comments. So you can just click that link, walk through the whole process with me. So it's real fast and easy for you guys as well. So like I said, I have the link down below. So we're going to get started here. And you want to have a business name already in mind that you want to start up with. For me, I'm going to put Midtown Power Seller as an example here. You could put LLC, or actually you shouldn't put LLC because it's going to do it for you. So for me, I'm going to put Midtown Power Seller because I sell on Amazon. We're going to start here. And now you're going to click this bottom right. Let's do it. And now you want to put the state. For this example, we're doing Washington. So we're just going to type Washington here, click it, next. How much experience do you have running a business? I have some experience because I've had multiple businesses. You can either put none or lots or whatever works for you. Will your business have employees within the first year? It's going to be me because I just sell online. If you have business partners or employees, you can put yes here, 1 to 5. For me, it's just going to be me. Next, will your business address be different from your home address? It's going to be a no for me because I sell online. And I always use my home address for my business address because it's me selling online, my online businesses, so it doesn't really affect me too much. If you have a retail or a storefront, of course it's going to be different. Brick and mortar, all depends on your certain situation. Me, I personally always use my personal address for my businesses because I always do online businesses. So let's go back here, and mine is going to be a no. So let's click next. How far along is your business? I'm going to click launching soon, 1 to 2 months. You can click which one works for you. We're going to click next here. What are your business goals? Mine is going to be primary income. You can either put side business or the next big thing. I'm going to pick primary income, and then what kind of business are you forming? It's going to ask you the industry, and if you click this little drop box here, you're going to see pretty much all the categories and industries that you can choose from. And for me, selling on Amazon and doing all that is e-commerce. So we're going to put e-commerce here and click that. So yeah, just take that time, look for which industry you're in, and do you want to save your progress? Honestly, we don't, because we're almost done with this whole process. It's really going to be a fast and easy video for you guys. So we're going to skip this and continue. And now, do you want to appoint someone as your state registered agent? So I recommend anybody that's watching this video to be their own registered agent, especially if you live in Washington. You want to be your own registered agent. This only applies if you want to apply someone as a registered agent if you don't live in that state. So let's say I'm trying to make an LLC in Washington and I live in Florida. Then I would have to appoint someone as a registered agent. People only do this for tax purposes. Like if your CPA recommends it or something like this. I am always my registered agent for all of my LLCs. I highly recommend you to do that as well, unless you couple years down the line, your business is like a multi-million-dollar business, then you can do something like that for tax benefits if your accountant recommends it. So I recommend you to be your own registered agent. So we're going to click here. I'm going to appoint my own registered agent, which is going to be yourself. And then you're going to click next. And then they're going to ask you, are you sure? Yes, I want to appoint someone else. That's going to be yourself. Okay, now you're going to get 3 packages to choose from: the starter, the pro, and the premium. So I don't really like the premium. I think the premium is slightly overpriced for $350. It's pretty expensive in my opinion. So what I really like about Zen Business, if you see the starter pack, it's $0 to pretty much use Zen Business. That's what I really like about Zen Business and why I recommend it to people, because you could use this program and you just have to pay the state filing fee of $200. Every state has a filing fee. It's a different price. For Washington, it's $200, and this is something that you have to pay yearly to keep your LLC active. So if you want to get your LLC, you can pay $0, but the filing does take 2 to 3 weeks, which is a bit long, and you don't get the EIN number as well. So that's a little, a little con to it. If you wanted to do the pro, you pay $199 extra, and the state filing fee is $200, and the filing is 3 to 4 days, and you also get that EIN number that you're looking for. So if you're really serious about getting the whole ball rolling and you're like, let's go, I want to start my LLC, I want to get that EIN number and just do this really fast, you can go with the pro. If you're looking to save a little bit of money, you could always check out the starter. Also, what's a cool thing, if you don't mind waiting those 2 or 3 weeks, if you click next here and skip this little add-on here, you'll see just EIN number. You can get that for $99. Or you can apply, once you get the LLC done, you can apply at the IRS website to get the EIN. If you're not really like tech savvy, you don't like using computers a lot, you can always get the EIN number here. So yeah, that's for this example. Let's go with that starter, because let's say we don't mind waiting the 2 to 3 weeks, for example. Let's do that. All right, and then no, I'll handle it myself. Okay. And let's say we want the EIN number. We want to pay a little bit extra, get that EIN number, so we have our LLC and their EIN number. This is what's going to allow you to open up your business bank account and your business credit card. That EIN number they're going to be asking for, and it's really, really important that you get it. That's usually what a lot of people ask for verification of your business, the EIN number. So you want to have that EIN number on hand. Click next here. Now it's going to ask you a couple of add-on questions. You don't need this at all. Business banking, you don't need it. Bookkeeping, no thank you. Website builder, no thank you. And if you want to file a little bit faster, 3 to 4 days, you can pay $79. Let's say we don't mind waiting. We're going to click no thank you. Now you're just going to put your personal info on this here. For this, I'm going to put some random stuff because this video is an example for you guys. So let's put that. Now we're going to click continue. And now what's due today is the state fee of $200. So you can see here, if you scroll to the bottom, the filing fee for Washington is $200, and then the EIN number is $99. So once they file your LLC, then they'll apply for your EIN number and they'll charge you then. So that's pretty cool. We're going to continue the payment. You're just going to put your card info here, your password, and you're all set and done. And that is how you can start your LLC and start your business. Highly, highly recommend it. Start it today. Get that ball rolling. I mean, I highly recommend you to open up your own business if you're looking to change and, start making money, being your own boss. There's nothing better than being your own boss. I highly recommend it. I've only worked one full-time job my whole entire life, and I've worked for myself pretty much my entire life, and I wouldn't have it any other way. There are, the ups and downs to it, but the amount of work that I put in is the amount of reward that I see out of it, if that makes sense. So highly recommend you to get your LLC. Don't procrastinate. You know, we all procrastinate a lot. Try to get that done. You could get it done in five minutes from now. Highly recommend it. Any questions, comments, leave them in the comments down below. And if you can like this video, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Like, this channel is pretty new, so any support I can get, I extremely appreciate it. It would mean the world to me. So that's about it, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.